The key to success in a production environment is visibility and control. Energy waste, poor shop floor visibility, and overly complex production schedules pollute the potential of many UK manufacturing SMEs. At Fitfactory, we know the pain points that plague the manufacturing sector, and it's our mission to find new, simple solutions. Our new manufacturing execution system aims to give you direct insights into live machine statuses, a centralized location for production schedules, and direct feedback on ongoing shop floor activities to identify trends, bottlenecks, and potential delays before they become a problem. MES takes a proactive approach to production with simple on-the-go control from any device. Tweak schedules to accommodate for unaccounted gaps in availability, take control of machine usage to better manage energy consumption, and use live data to make better informed decisions from overall strategy to simple stock forecasting. By making your production usage a live, visible metric, you can move towards your carbon-neutral goals and better reallocate previously tied-up resources to focus on money-making jobs. With a rich history helping manufacturing SMEs across the UK, trust Fitfactory and MES to reduce your admin, improve OEE, cut consumption costs, and better position you to achieve net zero. Contact us about MES today.